After my visit to the Kokoda factory in Campbellfield, Victoria, I took the drive to Kokoda Experience Centre in Caboolture, Queensland.
You'll find them at 44 Aerodrome Road, Caboolture.
This gave me the opportunity to see some completed Kokoda Caravans on display and really immerse myself in the full experience of what Kokoda Caravans is all about. The showroom itself is new and fairly sparse, and there are no over-the-top fancy displays, no unnecessary distractions, and no attempt to hide behind showroom theatre. The focus is exactly where it should be, on the shiny new Caravan sitting on display. And I have to say, the Caravans have been beautifully produced. I was impressed with the chassis and the engineering, but what impressed me more was the way the electrical system has been engineered into the overall design. It has been done in a very clever way, and it shows that Kokoda is thinking beyond just building another caravan. They are thinking about how the caravan actually works for the owner. There is clear attention to detail, evident from every angle, and the finish is crisp, clean and well thought out. There are new design features and clever ideas throughout, and you can see that real thought has gone into the way these caravans have been designed and built. Overall, these caravans present as clean, modern, practical and very well considered. They're the sort of caravans where you could wake up in the morning, look around and almost feel like you're in a 6-star resort rather than a caravan. Now, as always, I need to be clear, I'm not paid for this content. My reviews are professional, honest and based on what I see and what I know and what I believe from decades in the industry. Look, I may not end up with a Kokoda as my own caravan, but I can say this, anyone who does choose one is very likely to be glad they did. So, as usual, you know the drill. Like, subscribe, hit that notification button, and I'll see you in the next one.